Today we will see a park's daily life. Here you can see a cat is entering into the park and the smaller animals like Lali are not happy. Smaller birds like Kuro and Lali try to attack in order to frighten her not to come into their jurisdiction. On those trees they have built their nests. Crow is an intelligent animal. It is said that he has a 3-year-old child's brain, but sometimes it shows more than that. But when it get water from the shallow bottles through the tricks of putting pebbles inside and other trick as well. So they share the common food, the insects, the leftovers of the picnickers in the park. All are the part of their food system, and they try to live on. Here, butterfly is again an ingredient of the park system. Beautiful butterfly, they try to hover upon the various plants and flowers and get their share of food. It is also indication of a life in motion. Where butterfly are, we can summarize that life is in motion. Lali, this bird is very popular. It hovers upon the homes of the town and in the parks. They live in a pair form, and sometimes there is a duel in between for a bride, and that is a very dangerous duel. I would try to sometimes to film them. This tree has 2 nests of the crows, and crows don't allow cats nearby this tree. I have checked these trees, and during my absence of a week, their chickens have fled from the nest. Now nests are empty. This ant is harvesting its food supply system before the rainy season starts. Diligently they are working, they are collecting foods 24 hours a day in order to face the hardship day in future. Hardship days for all the animals. My observation is that crows are dominant rule in a park. The other birds, smaller animals, follow their rules. Sometimes cats don't follow. They just avoid them. Most of the time, choppers are not on the skies, but sometimes they also have a role in the life of a park. Sparrows, a common house bird, can be seen here in the parks along with crows and other animals. Here we can watch that crows not only search their food but select their food and eat at their will in a solitary place, avoiding the rival crows and birds. And they somehow fill up their bellies from the parts. As I told you, it is a crow. Crows are an animal, social animal. They live in community, and nobody has yet witnessed the cohabitation among crows. When they are mating with the pair, they mate secretly. So still I am trying to look out a scene, one or two scene of their cohabitation. So they get all their food by collecting insects and residue of the picnickers' food. The sky is filled up with the birds. They are looking over and looking inside the park, and by that way they not only see but watch the area as well. For example, that crow is checking the jurisdiction which cat has broken or other undesirable animals have broken the jurisdiction. How is this video about the birds? Please like it, share it and subscribe it. If possible, comment as well. Thank you very much.